Ai, namkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course. Yeah, I keep like project man. Yeah, also Mr. Post. Yeah, 2025 man. Yeah, so custom of course at the 18th of December. I also Mr. Post. If you post a little she made in vele kunga cover vele we got to make it same project the so if you one of course if it's like hosiyata. Okay, and then of course if you like a front cover as you can see so it's basic yeah, go for Mr. Post December, that's all. Relation of and stuff like that. Let's say king in detail. Shona kufika utsala ku Mr. Post, which means it's different. Shosho ku ta Mr. Post aku DDP. And previous project aku tsala ku DDP. Aku DDP la ku yena Mr. Post akombisa ku in'wana lo ango developiwa. Shosho ku ta Mr. Post yexe. Yena n'winyi is the read. Yena anga ku teni sweswo and stuff like that. But mini vona swa hafana ku lantiso because no in terms of na cover like overall ku na lamo swo ku na ringi ikono swa na ku DDP. As you can see, okay, nangutana kwalano na chain, even the cap share na vo DDP sort of. And then at the background I show kuna xithuthuthu, as you can see kuna a motorbike le ndzhaku le, as you can see I show na xithuthuthu xexo le ndzhaku le. This of course xi nga tshamisa xona ka cavalier hosingo Mr. Post. Maybe it's a coincidence. I'm not been this year. Maybe it's a coincidence. I don't know. Mr. Post, I'm you can comment below. Yeah, comment below. Yeah, I said and stuff like that. So as na producer also Mr. Post ango confirming ko la if ka tsala ko ntwela xipikara hot mkun'wana wa ka xibango December so a swona swi komba ku mhaka leyi Hlaya Bible ya mahlweni ya ku namula ne beef na Mr. Post komba ari serious swinene hi timhaka to ya namula Hlaya Bible mara mhaka leswi komba ku ri mhaka serious swinene.
Namhlanje va le xikipa xa DDP hilaha swin'wana madala swi ku yela byala mukongwana wa ka xibangwa neko a ni kahle a nga ni tivi mfana a ni kahle a n'wi jayivhisi i kokela mana yena khwara na nsati wa yena na vana va yena a n'wi jayivhisi hileswo madala swi ku yela
and stuff like that. So you can expect the Hlaya Bible ya ku nusiweni as promised the beef, okay? So hopefully Benny Mayengani itsakini or ichuwini, I don't know. Kwa vevela ku khala ina ka beef hi swona ku album yikwini. So this type of post vela ku beef hi ku album swi tikomba na ku a yi ku tini. Vara bakaliwa so maybe that's again or maybe that chuwini, we don't know. So project ile ku tini ku hi big fan la ya Mr. Post. Project yi nga huma either hi the 19 or the 20 namhla the 18, so swi loko it's either yi nga huma on a Friday or on a Saturday. Yeah, of course ta tsala ku album ya Mr. Post ya ta mi byela Penguin a nga jaha veri Benny Mayengani Penguin. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so hileswo the only thing left is sure vele ku timhaka ta tracklist hi kota ku vona ku i ti-track tingani. Mr. Post yena i confirm 4 but ni vona un'we kha va tsala ku i 3 songs, so yeah we'll wait and see ku ri tinsimu i tingani, yeah no swi tshamise ku yini na ti-features because for now a hi na ti-details at all mayona mhaka leyiwa mara hi ta hi kha hi update obviously. So hi leswi loko ku ri amukeza subscribe ta ku va mi tlika subscribe.